Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to make a corset top for my sister's birthday. She helped me many times by modeling for me, but I never made any clothes for her because she's not really into the gothic or fantasy style, and all my designs pretty much fall in those two categories. So I thought to make something different for her, and I'm going to use these old denim kid clothes I found in the attic and repurpose them. I'm going to use a pattern I made myself, like always. Here I'm adding patches of a different denim color. I was using one hand to sew and filming with the other one, until I found a way to hang my phone on me and have both hands free to sew. Check out this high-tech solution. Here is the corset all sewn together. I used binding tape around the edges and I sewed some boning channels in, on the center front, side and center back. And I'm using plastic boning that I cut to size. I usually cut the corners of the boning and then also file the edges a bit. Who else keeps sandpaper in all sorts of handy spots? After all the bones are inserted, it's time to add the binding to the bottom edge of the corset as well. Next, it's time to add the eyelets. First, I mark the placement. Then, using an awl, I make the eyelet holes, and then I press the eyelets using my press. The corset is now done and it just needs to be laced. And here it is done. I hope you liked seeing me make something a bit different than my usual style. It ended up looking very Y2K and my sister loved it. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one.
Cu toate ce build-urile alea acolo. Astea? Da, și alea.